and welcome to the CRIISP tutorial discussing privacy of your deal room, as well as removing people from your room. First, we're just going to go to our deal room. Now, CRIISP has been designed in a way that you will always control who does and does not have access to your deal room. There is no way someone can get access to everything in your deal room without being approved by you to view the content. You don't have to list your room in the marketplace. So in a previous tutorial, I did run through this, but in deal room settings, you have the choice of listing your room in the marketplace or not by this button here. And if you don't want to list your room, you simply don't tick it. So that would be for a due diligence room or any room with sensitive information. Even if it is just a high-level room, people still do not have access to your documents or your Q&A section without first being approved by you. To remove somebody from your room that you have given access to but no longer want to have access to your deal room, you simply go to the Activity tab, you find the person who you want to remove, click on their name, and then click Revoke Access. This will remove them from your deal room, and they'll no longer be able to see the content within. Thank you.